Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete Finelo AI tutorial step by step, especially for beginners who want to learn trading and improve their decisions using AI. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll cover everything in detail without skipping any step. So first of all, open the Finelo AI app on your mobile phone. Once the app opens, you'll see the welcome screen with the Get Started option. Tap on it to continue. If you already have an account, simply log in. And if you're new, go ahead and create your account by entering your email, username, and password. Then agree to the terms and continue. Once you complete the onboarding, you will land on the main dashboard. Now, before we explore everything, let me quickly explain what Finelo AI actually is. Finelo AI is a smart trading assistant that uses artificial intelligence to analyze the market, identify patterns, and provide insights that help you make better trading decisions. Instead of spending hours analyzing charts manually, the AI simplifies everything and gives you useful signals within seconds. But always remember one important thing. Finelo AI is your assistant, not your boss. You should never rely on it blindly. Always combine AI suggestions with your own understanding. Now let's explore the dashboard step by step. The first section you'll see is the Learn section. This is where your 28-day trading challenge is available. Each day includes short lessons designed to teach you trading from basic to advanced level in a very simple way. Tap on day one and start your lesson. You can either read the content or listen to it. These lessons will help you understand key concepts like how markets work, what trends are, how to manage risk, and how to control emotions while trading. Make sure you complete each lesson daily to build a strong foundation. After that, move to the Tools section. This is one of the most powerful features of Finelo AI. Here you will find the Analyze option. Tap on it and you'll be able to upload a chart or select an asset for analysis. You can either upload a chart from your phone gallery or use your camera to capture one. Once uploaded, the AI will start analyzing it. It will show you important insights like trend direction, key levels, possible entry points, and exit signals. This feature is extremely helpful because it saves time and reduces confusion. Instead of guessing, you get database suggestions which can improve your decision making. Next, go to the simulator or portfolio section. This is where you can practice trading without using real money. You'll see different assets like stocks, cryptocurrencies, and companies such as Apple, Tesla, or others. Choose any asset you're interested in. Before making any move, tap on Analyze and understand the market situation. Once you feel confident, you can simulate a trade. This allows you to learn how trading works without any risk. This step is very important for beginners because it helps you gain experience and confidence before moving to real trading. Now go to the Profile section. Here you can see your progress, achievements, learning streak, and current balance in the simulator. You can also manage your account settings, update your information, and track your overall performance. You may also find a leaderboard feature where you can compare your progress with other users. This keeps you motivated and helps you stay consistent with your learning. Now let's talk about how to actually use Finelo AI effectively. First, always focus on one asset at a time. Don't try to trade multiple assets in the beginning because it can confuse you. Second, always check AI signals carefully. If Finelo AI suggests a buy or sell signal, don't just follow it blindly. Look at the chart, check support and resistance levels, and confirm the trend yourself. Third, start small. Even in simulation, practice proper risk management. And if you ever move to real trading, never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Fourth, review your performance regularly. Go back and check your past trades, see what worked and what didn't. This helps you improve much faster. Fifth, focus on consistency instead of quick profits. Many beginners make the mistake of trying to earn fast money, but trading is a long term skill. Spend time learning every day, complete your lessons, and practice regularly in the simulator. Even small daily improvements can lead to big results over time. Sixth, make use of the AI learning tools available inside the app. Finelo AI doesn't just give signals, it also helps you understand why a trade is suggested. Take a few seconds to read the insights, study the reasoning, and try to connect it with what you've learned in your lessons. This will slowly build your confidence. Now, let's talk about some important tips. Always start small when it comes to trading. Never invest large amounts in the beginning. Avoid emotional decisions like panic buying or selling, and always think logically. Also, always use stop loss to protect yourself from big losses. This is a very important rule in trading. Try to stay consistent with your daily lessons and don't skip your learning process. Use the simulator regularly to test your strategies and improve your skills without any risk. Over time, you will notice that your understanding of the market becomes much better. So, overall, Finello is a very powerful app for beginners. It combines learning, real time analysis, and practice tools in one place, making it a complete platform for anyone who wants to start their trading journey from scratch. What makes it even more useful is how it simplifies complex trading concepts into easy step by step lessons that anyone can understand. With its structured 28-day learning plan, you're not just randomly exploring, you're following a clear path designed to build your knowledge gradually. The built in tools help you analyze markets like a professional, while the simulator allows you to practice without any financial risk. This combination helps you learn faster and avoid common beginner mistakes. Another great advantage is the AI support, which provides insights, suggestions, and guidance whenever you need it. This means you're not learning alone, you have a smart assistant helping you understand the market better. Over time, as you stay consistent, you'll notice improvement in your confidence, decision making, and overall trading skills. You'll start understanding trends, managing risks better, and making more informed choices. So, whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a little experience, Finello gives you the right tools, knowledge, and practice environment to grow step by step and move closer to becoming a confident trader. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more simple and easy to follow guides just like this one. I'll be bringing more tips and tricks to help you learn faster and work smarter every day. Drop a comment below if you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon.